Hello and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. Going to pick and gut today this E.S MP 5. I got this in an eBay package. It does work. When I first got it, it didn't work. A bit like the Yale, all the pins were wrong way round and upside down and not right. But I got it stripped and it now works. And there's the bitting, sorry, as you see, not too bad. This is definitely going to be made into a challenge lock and get sent out there. I've got a couple of, like I say, I've got a couple of these Mortice locks I've had off other people, but they were made by other people and they were there for picking. This is the first time I've actually, like I say, owned one myself. Excuse me, sorry about that. That could actually turn into a challenge lock. Now, core's a bit sloppy. I don't really know too much about it. Even when I stripped it, I just stripped it quickly, put everything back the way it's supposed to and closed it back up. So I've not actually really paid attention to what was in it. Well, let's get it picked. Got to use a homemade tension wrench and a medium hook. Let's see what we've got. I'm not getting much feedback. Oh, got a bit of a default set then. That was an accidental one as well. Oh, and there we go. Bloody hell! It didn't take any time at all. That out. I was just fiddling around with the pins. Oh. I was quite disappointed. Well, let's find out what's in it and find out why it's so disappointing. I can lock it back up. Do you know what? Let me just get my pinning tray, sorry. I don't want to lose the screws. Let me find the key. Best if I have a follower as well, isn't it? And a pair of tweezers ready. You know, set your videos up and then sometimes I completely forget to get any of the stuff out that I need. Right, there we go. Ah, oh, just dropped all the pins out. Right, just give me 1 second. I'll have to put the pins back in a minute, see where they went. I think I've lost as well that's alright, I found it, know where it is. Right, let's start with the core. From what I saw then anyway, we've got one serrated keeping, standard keeping, another standard keeping, and another standard keeping. It looks like someone's had a go at filing top of the core down a little bit, but there's nothing in there. That's empty. That. Let's have a look what we've got. Right, so the first one was a serrated keeping, and we got a spool, number 2. Number 3, we have a upside down keeping. Next one is a standard one, and last but least is a spool. What have we got in there? And there's nothing going on in there. That's strange, that one. Don't get I'll just show you. There you go. The only reason I found that odd is it has got, like I said, got 2 spools. A serrated keeping there. Driver. We've got 1 serrated keeping and the rest are standard, but you know, I thought I got some type of feedback. I got 1 fault set and then it just opened. I'm gonna have to measure the diameter of all these keepings and drivers, because there's too much slop in that lock, and there was no feedback. It just opened up practically instantaneously, and to have all those security pins and be like that, that's just really odd. Oh well, get it sorted, and I'll put new pins in it and we'll make it into hopefully a decent challenge lock. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, bye.